Hi everyone, Diamond Paintings with Pearl here. I'm going to show you another inventory that we're going to make tonight on these two paintings that I have. I already showed it, my unboxing on my other channel, but since this is my main channel for my diamond painting, I'm going to re-inventory it for you. So we got two paintings we're going to do tonight. Okay, first off, we're going to do an inventory on these cardinals. This is a full drill, round drills, and it was sold by WEIYP, and I bought this for $12.99. This is a 40 by 30 centimeter, and or it's a 12 by 16 or 16 by 12, however you want to call it. So this painting has 22 drills. It has 22 drills, and this is going to be how it will look like. Two bird. Let's see, let's put a light on it. All right, that's better. There you go. It's a beautiful painting. If you can see this painting, this is really a 40 by 30. The painting itself, this is a full painting, full diamond painting. So this is 40. This is 40 centimeter by 30 centimeter. Okay, but on the other one that we're going to inventory, this country kitchen birds, the description says 40 by 30. Here it's 40 by 30, but look at the size. 40 by 30 is the whole canvas. That's why it really looks small when you compare it with this cardinals. So I don't know how they really measure their canvas and the painting, but this is the right size. 40 by 30 is the painting, and this one is the whole canvas, 40 by 30. That's why it's very small. So I got this drills here. This drills is numbered from 1 to 22. So I'm going to show you the colors. See, it's very colorful. This is already fixed from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this should be 22 drills. So it will be easier for us. So I'm going to fix it this way. 13, 14, 15, 19, 20, 21, 17, 22 over there, 18, and 17, and then 11 and 12. So I'm just going to show you the colors. This is very colorful. This is very Christmassy too. Look at those colors. This, by the way, this is a round drill. Look at these colors. I got everything. It's complete from 1 to 22. This is one is a gray color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. By the way, this painting has a DMC code, and then there's like a code here and it's numbered, so at least you can use it up with your other paintings with this DMC numbers, because some of them they just number it and then they'll just put the codes on it and they don't want put any DMC, but this one it has a DMC number, so at least you can use it up. Okay, let's check on the canvas. Alright, if you look at the canvas, the codes are really clear, very clear. It doesn't have any crumples or folds or air bubbles, so this is looking good. Let's see. Okay, it's really good. The wrinkling here is just the plastic cover, but as far as I can see, it doesn't have any bubbles, air bubbles on it, and folds on it, so we're good. Thumbs up. Okay, this is the next diamond painting that we're going to inventory. This is round drill, full drill, and this is $15.99. I also ordered this in Amazon. Both of these canvas are from Amazon, but the seller is Y Home, and these paintings came from China. Both of them came from China, and this is going to be how it's going to look like. This one, let's see if I can put it closer somewhat, and let's remove the yeah. Okay, my light is just okay. There you go. That's better. Yes. See, this diamond painting, it's probably small in size, but this has a lot of drills. It's 30 drills here, so we'll just take a look at the colors. And this one doesn't have numbers on it, it just says number. It has a number here with the code and the DMC codes on the third box here, but on this on the drills bags, it won't show the number. I don't know if this numbers like the Chinese characters. I don't know if this is how they write their numbers, because it's 453. It's the 453 is number 5. I don't know if this is number 5 for the Chinese character. I don't write Chinese, so I don't know. I can't understand anything like that. But so this is a lot of what you call this one, because some of the paintings you have to, they already write the numbers, so 1 to 30, something like that, and they don't use the DMC codes. They just use the number and then just find the codes on the list here. Okay, but what I'm going to do is just number them from 1 to 30. So I'm going to just show it to you. I already checked on this on my other video and it's complete. It's already complete. I'm just going to show it to you how the colors looks like. And it is really very colorful. A lot of this orange and purples. I don't know if this is purple or maroon. Like this is the same color. And a lot of these yellows. These yellows and yellow greens. This is going to be beautiful with all these colors. And look at this. They look like candies. Look at this. This is a round wheel. Let's see. Yeah, it's shiny. See? So they're like packed in small bags. Look at this color here. A lot of these red colors. There's 606. So probably if I don't know if they also have a bigger size on this, but I hope it's not going to be like so pixelated. So I'm just excited to work on this small project sometimes, because you can see your you know, the result right away. Let's check on the canvas. When this diamond painting came to the mail, it was really crumpled, but now it looks much better. See, I really put heavy books on top of it so it gets straightened up, and it really worked. So this is looking much better. See, it doesn't have any air bubbles, it's just the creases, but it's all gone. I'm surprised. It's probably just because it was, you know, it traveled too far and they probably got tossed. And so this is looking better, so I'm happy with it. Okay, this is all we're going to do again, and then just watch out for the other inventories we're going to make. This is again your diamond paintings with pearl, telling everybody happy drilling, God bless. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.